Ashley, and I'm going to be doing number 8 on test 1. The problem is the fine for a speeding ticket in the town of Speed Trap is $70 plus an amount that depends upon how high above the posted speed limit a driver is driving. For the first 10 miles per hour above the posted speed limit, there is an additional charge of 5 miles per hour. For the second 10 miles per hour above the posted speed limit, there is an additional charge of $10 per miles per hour. For an area where the posted speed limit is 55 miles per hour, express the fine amount F as a function of a driver's speed x over the interval 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 75. So the first equation is going to be 0 less than x less than or equal to 55, because this is a speed limit 0 to 55, and you include 55 into it because that's the posted speed limit. We're going to say the fine amount equals 0. So we'll say F equals 0. So this is the first equation we're going to use. So this is the F of x. 0 less than x less than or equal to 55. And we're trying to look for 3 equations. So the next one, so this is number 1. Number 2 is going to be 55 greater than x, less than or equal to 65. It's saying 65 because it's asking for 10 miles per hour above the speed limit. So we're going to say F minus 70, because $70 is the amount for a ticket, equals 5x minus 55. So we're going to solve for F. So it's going to be 5x minus 275 plus 70. Oops. So then when we solve this out, it's going to be F equals 5x minus 205. So this equation is going to go with this equation. So we can write it over here. Oh no, this equation we're going to use for number 3. So this is another equation for, no, this equation is going to go here. So 5x minus 205, and it's relevant with this one, so it's 55 less than x less than or equal to 65. So we're looking for our third equation, and we're going to use this to solve for our third equation. So we're going to, the next 10 miles per hour up is 65, so we're going to plug in 65. So it's going to be F of 65 equals 565 minus 205, which is going to equal 120. So F minus 120 equals 10x minus 65. So we're going to solve this out and solve for x. So F equals 10x minus 650 plus 120. So F is going to equal 10x minus 530. So this is our last and final equation. So it's going to be 10x minus 530. And we're going to use, and this is relevant to, this is relevant to 65x less than x less than or equal to 75. So then we use this one over here, this equation. And these are your 3 answers for the speed trap problem.